Hello viewer, if your Google Play Store app not working or not opening, let's see the solution. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Now scroll down and find out apps. Click on apps. Now search Google Play Store. Click on Google Play Store. Now scroll down, click on Storage. Now from the lower corner, clear cache data from Google Play Store. Now go back. Now click on Google Play Service. Now scroll down, click on Storage. Now clear cache data from Google Play Service. Now go back to your home screen. Now sweep up your quick setting. From here, make sure your internet connection is stable. Now restart your phone. If you follow these 3 steps and then this problem persists, please try to uninstall Google Play Store and then re-adding your Google account.